14. Queen number 15. Queen number 10. Queen number 13.
Congratulations, ladies. And once again, thank you so much to Barron's Tea House Award.
Alright, thank you very much. Mr. Gay World, Mr. Charlie Rivera, Mr. Girl World, Philippines Antipolo, and once again, ayan, ano po promote yan, sir? Hi, Sir Charlie, how are you?
I'm doing amazing.
Thank you very much for sponsoring our girls tonight. And sa pagkakalam ko, you will be competing nationally.
Yes, definitely. Tentatively modulate po. Mr. Gilbert, please, I am proud to represent our culture and
And we would like to acknowledge the presence